Right, example 7, a circular parallel plate capacitor with radius of 1.2 cm is connected to a 6-volt battery. After the capacitor is fully charged, the battery is disconnected without loss of charge on the plates. If the separation between the plates is 2.5 mm and the medium between plates is air, calculate the amount of charge on each plate. Okay, so let us extract the information available. So we have the radius equal to 1.2 centimeter, and then it is connected to a 6-volt battery. So after it being disconnected, there is no loss of charge, and the separation of the plates is 2.5 millimeter. Okay, so the medium is air, so we are gonna use permeativity of free space lah. Right, to calculate the amount of charge on each plate, we will be using the formula Q equal to CV, and we know that C here is equal to E naught A over D. Okay, so from here we can actually substitute C into this equation here in order for us to get the value of the magnitude of charge. And for area, this is a circular capacitor, so pi r square will be the equation to calculate the area of the capacitor. Okay, so just substitute into the equation here and the values. So you should get the value to be equal to 9.61 times 10 to the power of negative 12 coulomb. Okay, and then for question B, the separation becomes 8 millimeter after the battery is disconnected. So determine the amount of charge on each plate. Remember, there is no loss of charge, so the Q is constant. The amount of charge is constant. Okay, next, the potential difference between the plates. So we can use the formula E equal to V over D. Okay, and remember, we can also calculate the electric field strength using the formula Q E naught A. Okay, so substitute this together, equate this together, so you'll get the value of the new potential difference to be equal to 19.2 volt. And lastly, the amount of charge is then equal to 5 times 10 negative 13 farad. Okay, the capacitance of the capacitor. Oh, sorry, we are looking for the capacitance of the capacitor. So the formula is C equal to Q over V. Is that so? C, yes, Q. Okay, so from here you should get 5 times 10 negative 13 farad. Right, so that is the solution for example number 7.